Here I've got Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime, and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at first let's go with the quickest method. Simply slide down the upper bar and locate power saving mode icon. Simply click on it, and from now on, if you will click on apply, it will be active. Give your device a couple of seconds, and that's it. As you can see, medium power saving mode is on. You can also open it through the settings and then select some particular power saving mode options. So let's open the list of all applications, go to the settings, then locate and pick device maintenance and go to the battery. And now you can simply enable power saving mode here, so it can be off. So let's switch it off. Then you can activate this medium option, which we have previously, and also the maximum one. So click on max, and this one will extend your battery life by applying the settings below. And here you've got the more information. So only some particular application will be allowed. If you truly want to do it, click on apply and wait a couple of seconds until it's done. It will decrease brightness, speed limiter, also limit numbers of usable apps, and apply dark dim. So just give it a while until the changes are applied. And that's it. As you can see, now we are in power saving mode, the maximum one. If you will open the settings, you will notice just a few of them. So then you can open the battery one more time, and you can switch off this maximum power saving mode by tapping on off or on middle one, but I will switch it off totally. So just give your device a sec to go back to default settings. As you can see, it has been turned off, and now we are back in the standard mode. So that's basically all. That's how you can save your battery in Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.